Camp C just became the first in the world to 3D print a two-story house in one piece, using the largest 3D printer in Europe. The house, in Westerlo, Belgium, is a demo for this style of 3D printing, showing off different styles. It's also a way to measure how the home, which was built using greener practices than typical constructions, holds up over time. Camp C's 3D printed house is part of the European KEPO project, supported by the European Regional Development Fund. The project brings together scientists and business people to advance 3D printing in Flanders. The interior of the prototype home has similar dimensions to a typical Belgian house, though is not actually going to be lived in, as it was created for government-funded research purposes and to highlight the possibilities of 3D printed architecture. It includes an entrance hall, 2 conference rooms, and a kitchen area. Camp C also added some sustainable and energy-saving extras too, such as underfloor heating, solar panels, and a heat pump. A green roof is planned for the future. If you're in the Antwerp area and would like to check out the project in person, you can do so during July and August by making an appointment through Camp C's website.